for me since I'm down with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. I'm gonna catch the rhythm when she push up against me. Who is she to?
I'm starting off this tutorial today with pre-stretched hair from a twist out. All you're going to need are 2 scrunchies, 1 comb, 1 brush, and your choice of edge control or gel. Now, the first thing you want to do is you're going to take your comb and part your hair straight to the back. Now, I have to part a section and then pull it apart, part it and pull it apart because my hair is so thick. So you're just going to see me doing that all the way through until I get to the bottom. Now we're just going to section off the hair that we're not going to use. And I'm going to turn around and let you see that my part is not perfect and it is okay. Just keep going. Now you're going to take some water and you're just going to spray it all on your edges. After you spray your hair with water, you're going to go in with your choice of gel. And I'm just using this black gel. And I am laying that all around the perimeter of my head, the front, the sides, the back. And I'm also going to put it on that parting area as well. And of course, now we're just going to brush all of this hair up into that side puff. So that is basically how you get the first puff. You're just going to pull it through with your hands, fluff it to your liking, and now we're going to move on to the next side. You know what time it is, ladies. It's time to lay those baby hairs, those edges. So you're just going to take your favorite edge control and we're going to lay these edges down. Now, sometimes when I'm feeling a little extra, I do pull off a little piece of hair like this, add water, add gel, twist it around my finger, and that creates kind of like a little side curl. And I think that's really cute. So if you want to spice up your buns a little bit, just do this process and you'll have some curlies on the side. And ta-da! You got your little curly sideburns, but we're not doing all that today. So I'm just going to swoop those sideburns back into my bun. And the last part will be to take your Afro pick and you're just going to pick each side until you get your puff to look exactly how you want it to look. We're going to do one final fluff with our hands just to make sure we got our buns to our liking. And bam! That is how you get 2 curly Afro puffs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell before you go. Thanks for watching.